Let's start with understanding what data means. Data is a recorded, measured, or collected fact that is derived from observations made by humans or machines. If any observation is not recorded, if it's not measured, and if it cannot be recollected later, it cannot be regarded as data. A single data point is called datum. The word data is actually the plural form of the word datum, and a datum refers to a single fact that has been recorded, measured, or collected. So there is no such thing as datas, so it's only called data. A single datum can take many forms. It can be a number, a word, a measurement, an observation such as something visual or auditory, or even a description of something. One important characteristic of data is that it must be recorded to be useful. If an observation or measurement is not recorded, it cannot be considered data. For example, a verbal product review given to a friend is not considered data until it is written down or typed into a website. Similarly, memories of an event are not data, but when you have a video recording of that event or a written document of how that event went, then you can say you have a data of that event. Another important characteristic of data is that it must be fact-based, because data consists of facts and recorded observations. So your opinions, your beliefs, your judgments, your instincts, or your viewpoints are not regarded as data because they are not recorded observations and they lack supporting evidence. So for data to be useful, it must be objective and verifiable. Anyone must be able to verify it. So now that we understand what data is and what qualifies as data, we can now work with data sets and analyze information meaningfully.